ChatGPT, please give a crash course on South America and Caribbean with brief history, country profile, leadership, politics and economy, relationship with USA, and major contemporary issues and latest status update. Sure, here is a brief crash course on South America and the Caribbean. History. South America and the Caribbean have a rich and complex history, with a mix of indigenous cultures, colonialism, and independence movements. Many countries in the region gained independence from Spain and Portugal in the 19th century, while others, such as Cuba, achieved independence more recently. The region has also experienced political instability, economic challenges, and social inequality over the years. Country profile. South America is made up of 12 independent countries: Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Ecuador, Guyana, Paraguay, Peru, Suriname, Uruguay, and Venezuela. The Caribbean consists of a number of islands, as well as coastal countries such as Belize, Guyana, and Suriname. The region has a diverse mix of cultures, languages, and religions. Leadership. South America and the Caribbean have a range of different political systems and leaders. Some countries have stable democracies, while others have experienced authoritarian rule or political instability. Leaders in the region include Jair Bolsonaro in Brazil, Nicolás Maduro in Venezuela, and Alberto Fernandez in Argentina. Politics and economy. South America and the Caribbean have a mix of different political and economic systems. Many countries in the region have market-based economies, while others have more state-controlled economies. The region is also home to a number of political and social movements, such as the Bolivarian Revolution in Venezuela and the Landless Workers Movement in Brazil. Relationship with USA. The relationship between South America and the Caribbean and the USA has been complex over the years. The USA has been involved in a number of political and economic interventions in the region, including the overthrow of democratically elected governments and the imposition of economic sanctions. The region has also been a major source of immigration to the USA. Major contemporary issues. South America and the Caribbean face a range of contemporary issues, including economic challenges. Many countries in the region have struggled with economic challenges, such as high levels of debt, inflation, and unemployment. Social inequality. The region is characterized by significant social inequality, with large disparities in wealth, education, and access to basic services. Crime and violence. Some countries in the region have high levels of crime and violence, including gang violence and drug trafficking. Environmental issues. The region is home to a number of important ecosystems and biodiversity hotspots, but is also facing environmental challenges such as deforestation, pollution, and climate change. COVID-19 pandemic. The region has been hit hard by the COVID-19 pandemic, with many countries experiencing high levels of infection and death. Some countries have struggled to provide adequate healthcare and economic support to their citizens. In terms of the latest status update, South America and the Caribbean continue to grapple with these issues and are working to find solutions to promote long-term stability and prosperity. Some countries in the region, such as Chile and Uruguay, have been successful in implementing economic and social reforms, while others, such as Venezuela, continue to struggle with political and economic challenges. The COVID-19 pandemic has also highlighted the need for improved healthcare systems and social safety nets in the region. In summary, South America and the Caribbean have a rich and complex history, with a diverse mix of cultures, languages, and religions. The region is made up of 12 independent countries in South America and a number of islands and coastal countries in the Caribbean. The region has a range of political systems and leaders, with some countries experiencing stable democracies and others facing political instability. The region also faces a number of contemporary issues, including economic challenges, social inequality, crime and violence, environmental issues, and the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. The relationship between the region and the USA has been complex over the years, with the USA involved in a number of political and economic interventions. The region continues to work towards promoting long-term stability and prosperity for its citizens.